Good afternoon, dear students. This is SST class for Standard 3, Chapter 6, Our Food. In this class, we are going to discuss exercise of this chapter. Before that, we recall main points of this chapter. Our food. So let's come to the topic. Chapter 6, Our Food, Unit 3, Life in India. That means, due to difference of climates, plains, soils and rainfalls, our country has produced different types of foods. First, different types of foods are like grains, crops, fruits, vegetables, vegetable oils, sweet dishes, spices, etc. Farmers grow different types of food crops in India because of differences in landforms, climate, soil and rainfall. Food grains grown in India include rice, wheat, maja, jowar, bajra and pulses. A variety of fruits and vegetables are also grown in India. Different types of vegetable oil and spices are also used in India. Vegetable oils are used for cooking. Due to the transport facilities, fruit crops grown in one part of India are easily available in other part of India also. Train and trucks are used to transport foods crops from one part of India to another part of India. And while our country transport food and grains outer country, it uses aeroplanes and ships. And next, exercise of this chapter. First, take the correct answer. Which of the following is a type of pulse? Jaw, bajra, arad. Answer is arad. This is the main food item in West Bengal. Like our state, West Bengal, the main food item of West Bengal is rice. Answer is rice. Next. Nagpur is famous for its dates: apples, pineapples, oranges. Nagpur is famous for oranges. Nagpur is famous for oranges. This is also called the Spice Garden of India. Which state is known as the Spice Garden of India? Kerala. Kerala is also called the Spice Garden of India because it produces varieties of spices. Saffron is mostly grown in Delhi, Mumbai, Kashmir. Saffron is mostly grown in Kashmir and Ladakh. There is answer Kashmir, so you should take in Kashmir. Fill in the blanks with the help of given word in the box. That means you should fill in the blanks with the help of these words. Like Mirzapur in Bihar is famous for dates: West Bengal, Ladakh, Kashmir, lychees, seeds, grapes. Mirzapur in Bihar is famous for lychees. Nasik is famous for its dates. Lasik is famous for its grapes. Vegetable oil is obtained from the dates of certain plants like mustard, groundnut and coconut. Vegetable oil is obtained from the seeds of certain plants like mustard, groundnut and coconut. Saffron is mostly grown in dates and dates. Saffron is mostly grown in Kashmir and Ladakh. Rasgulla of dates is quite famous. Rasgulla of West Bengal is quite famous. Next, answer the following questions. Why do farmers grow different types of food grains in India? Answer is, farmers grow different types of food grains in India because India has different types of climates, different types of soil and distribution of rainfall is not uniform in all places. Name the states where rice is the main food item. The states are West Bengal, Assam, Bihar, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu that rice is the main food item. What is the use of vegetable oil? The use of vegetable oil is cooking. Name any 4 spices. 4 spices are chilies, cloves, cardamoms and coriander. You should write other spices name. How are fruits grown in one part of our country available in the other parts? Fruits grown in one part of our country are available in other parts because of good transport facilities through trucks and trains. And next, Bhar's Huts, that means can apple grow in Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh only? Why or why not? क्योंकि कश्मीर एंड हिमाचल में ओनली एप्पल ग्रो हो सकता है, और कोई प्लेस में हो सकता है? अगर हो सकता है तो व्हाई, अगर नहीं भी हो सकता है तो उसकी भी कॉज आपको बताना है. Some fruits and vegetables need to be kept in a refrigerator. Why? Vegetables and fruits needs to be in a refrigerator. That means why? उनको क्यों चाहिए? Why is it good to share food with others? क्यों अच्छा है कि हम लोग अपनी खाना को, अपनी फूड को और दूसरों के साथ शेयर करें. What is the significance of spice in food? स्पाइस का क्या वैल्यू है फूड में, ये आपको खुद को करना है. नेक्स्ट, make a list any 10 states of India and find out the following main food grains. That means you should write 10 states name and their main food grains grow and fruits grown and popular dishes like this. States name, main food grains, fast fruits grown and popular dishes. Like first number 1, our state name Odisha. Main fruit grains grown is rice and fruits grown is banana and popular dish rice and dal. You should write other 9 states and they are about them. Next, word fun. Fill in the missing letters and complete the names of food items or spices. That means there are some food items or spices name. You should fill in the blanks like W-E-T with W-H-E-A-T. Next, cherry C-H-E-R-R-Y, J-O-W-A-R, saffron S-A-F-F-S-A-F-R-O-O-N, coconut C-O-C-O-N-U-T, Srikhand S-R-I-K-H-A-N-D, pepper P-E-P-P-E-R, mustard M-U-S-T-A-R-D. Next, find the number 2. Find names of 5 fruits from the given word grid. That means you should find out 5 fruits name from this given word grid. Like mango, M-A-N-G-O, and this is a homework for you. This is a hard copy in which I write all the question answer of this chapter. You should write all these hard copies in your SST copy and practice it. Thank you.